Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser, so let's do this. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and here we have to tap on this three dots icon. Here we have to tap on the history, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. In order to remove it, simply tap on this X button right next to it. And as you can see, it simply disappears. If you want to clear more browsing data, simply tap here on Clear Browsing Data. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. And in advanced, we can also remove saved passwords, out-of-inform data and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. And if you are ready, simply click on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history and the browsing data has been cleared successfully. So that's all. This is how to remove browsing data in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.